after situation analysis, well, where are we now, right? Very important part. Then we come to the second part, which is where do we want to go? Where do we want to go? So in this case, we will apply SMART, specific, measurables, unturables, or achievables, no? and realistic, or even last like time. Okay, if you apply SMART, will help you a lot because you can see when is the result, and it's pretty much clear because they will have time specific, and then you know exactly when you will achieve because they still have the timeline for you to be achieved, right? So in that case, you have to write marketing plan, then look at different issues, different perspective of how to achieve your business. Okay, so then there are about 5 issues that you can set up objectives. But it will be easier if you look at your business as a timeline. So we look at the product life cycle. Okay, product life cycle actually help you to analyze situation as well. But this time, product life cycle help you to look at the objective in each state. Okay. Product life cycle will start from the first, will be introduction. Your business from the very beginnings, like just first launch business, okay? And then go to the growth state. Growth state will be you run the business for some time, then you start to look at the growth state, which is mean maybe you look at the profit, or people start to know you, okay, and then you still want to gain a profit, and then you do a lot of advertising in this state, and then go to the maturity state or the saturate state, which is mean everyone know you. Okay, everyone know you. You already settled down with your business. Give example like DTAG or AIS or True. So they actually in that state, which is people know them already. Okay, and then last decline. So that's all business is like that. You know, they have introduction, growth, maturity. Okay, and how you remain in the maturity state. Okay, and then declining, nobody wants to be, okay, but then sometimes we plan to let that product decline, just like seasonal products, like Swensen, they have their seasonal ice cream, so they will once the seasons end, then that product will be declined. Okay, so that is what we talk about product life cycle. Then come back to our objectives with 5 issues. Maybe we'll start from the first one, very basics. Every business needs profit. So how many % of your profit to generate by the first year or the 6 months? Did you plan about it? So that's the profit is very important, and actually most of the business use it during the introduction or even in the growth state. Okay, I mean that is kind of very basics for all business, right? And the second one is about awareness. So awareness is very important, in particular to the introduction state. When you just first launch business, you want everyone know about your business, right? So then you have to raise awareness. We do a lot of promotion in this stage. I think you can look at different business that they just start launching their business. So they do a lot of campaigns, like make sure people know. Then they can set up the objective of raising awareness. If they use using social media, there will be 5,000 people to click like in their fan page. So within maybe 3 months. So that's quite clear. So that is what we look at the idea of the first start of business with awareness. And another one is about make the position. Okay, this state maybe you look at during the introduction and maybe almost decline. Okay, sometimes you need to look at the position of yourself, how people perceive you. Position means where you are in the market, how people perceive you. and that means people still perceive the same. You are the quality products, or you are fast product. You are very deliver very well and have the quality service. So people still perceive the same. Then you have to do research to support you in this position. And also they have another two issues like loyalty or repeat customer. In this time, maybe you're doing during the saturation or maturity state because everyone know you, but how to remain or maintain the customer satisfaction, how to make sure that we have loyalty customer come all the time. They're not going to be switcher, they're not going to change their mind. So you will do a lot of campaigns. So maybe that's why some example like they give you special card, they give you some special loyalty card where you can collect miles, you can collect the stamps, then you will get some profit. Okay, and last is about the image. The image is very important because people still make sure that you are a good image on their eyes. So if you have a good image, then you have to think about how to strengthen your image. So in this state, then during the saturation, I think a lot of business have to consider how to remain the strong image of them. Okay, and if some business they have very negative image because they have some failure, like the company's corrupt and they lay off the staff, so that image start to get lost. So how we can maintain the image? Okay, so that's all about the list of maybe 5 issues that you consider. Look at the product life cycles and also the idea of how to set up objective by using SMART.